Ah!
Yep, it's that time. Hey, this is Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the ring the bell, because we're finally going to release my Super 8 movie, Attack of the Killer Teddy Bears. I've been kind of waiting to hit 8,000 subscribers to go with my Super 8 movie, and that's coming up real soon. So I went ahead and chose a date. It's going to be this coming Friday, August 26th. I'm going to release it at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's 5 Pacific, 7 Central, and 8 East. And I probably over-edited it. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy it. But anyway, save the date. This Friday, August 26th at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So figure that out in your time zone. Grab a bag of popcorn, pop it up, do it on the stove, do it on the Blackstone, do it however you want to do it. But have a bag of popcorn, and I hope you enjoy the video, or the movie. I made this movie 45 years ago with a couple of buddies, and you know, such great memories come flooding back when you watch that. You think of all the cars you had and all the good times growing up in the 70s and 80s, and man, can't beat it. Anyway, subscribe, ring the bell, and come back Friday, this coming Friday. I do want to plug my new t-shirt. Let's see, let's move this back a little bit. Check this out. Okay, for those of you that have channels, or if you just want stickers, you want t-shirts, you want whatever you want. I use Sticker Mule. They're not sponsoring me, but every 6 to 8 months or so, maybe it's a year, I don't know, they put out specials. They put out specials once a week. I mean, these t-shirts, when they do their specials, $9. When they're not on special, they're only $19. So if you only want one t-shirt, go on there and grab it. I always have a link down below in my description. If you use that link, you get $10 off, and I get $10 credit. So if you're looking for stickers, shirts, like I said, mailing bags, magnets, I've probably ordered almost everything that they have there. Every week they run a special, and so sign up for their newsletter, and you'll get some really good deals. All right, speaking of stickers, Charlie at Cooking Secrets for Men, he sent me his sticker. Go check out Charlie's Cooking Secrets for Men. I don't know, he's got some kind of crazy obsession with Alton Brown and his website, his cooking channel website. Well, I got to tell you, Charlie, Alton Brown has nothing on you, because he does not have his sticker on my beer fridge, and that's where yours is going to go. You will now be on my beer fridge sticker Hall of Fame. Let's put Charlie right there. We'll just line him right up. Better get him straight. All right, there you go, Charlie. Thank you so much for sending that sticker. Go check out Charlie's channel, link below. He's got a great channel, and I think you'll enjoy it. Anyway, that's one more sticker. If you want one of mine, drop me an email. And again, come back Friday, 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Attack of the Killer Teddy Bears. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you on the next video. I have one video before Friday, so let's hope you're here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.